drive buggies. First of 3 heats. I need, these people can cross the line. Rich, Rick, Mikey, Leighton, JB, Jason, Andy, the Hammer, Steve.
Leighton is gold. Mikey Williamson. JB. Sandy McDonald.
Yay, Steve, you won. It worked. My marshals are going to be Jerry, Don, Tyson, Rich, Travis, Mark, Bill, Mike, and Brent.
I'm going to record all the qualifiers and I'm going to take them off.
How did you like those sprinters?
My truck was fine. I was over driving.
That's what I was doing.
Okay, I got my marshals. I'm still looking for Rich and Jason. Go across the line.
Jason, Rager.
Okay, got Rich. I need Rich.
Rich Clark.
All right. Rich, you're on the tone. So I can get yourself turned around in less than 5. Rick, Mikey, Leighton, JB, Jason, Andy, Hammer, Noonan. And we're off and racing, folks. With 4 minutes and 30 seconds left in this race.
Second.
Mike Louie on the ball.
Third.
Multitasking as usual.
Fifth. Fourth. First. Second. Eighth.
Hammer coming in with a fast lap of 24.9. Good, 2 seconds faster than Noonan, who came in second. With his 26 flat. 26.5 from Rich.
Second.
28.4. Whoop, it's moving around too much.
9. 8. Third.
Ho ho!
9.
Oh, is he going to let you help or not?
4.
There you go.
First. Fifth. Second. Sixth. Seventh. Third. Fourth. 9. First.
3 minutes left in this race. Oh, button up against the...
Yeah, if you're on board, you're...
Got a busy corner over there.
Third.
I have your head on a swivel.
First. Fifth. Fourth. Second. 9.
Okay, with a
9.
Hammer's leading with a 12.504. Steve's running second with a 12.517. Rich Clark's got an 11.5 flat. Mikey's running 11.520. 11.524 for Rick. JB's running 10.514. 9.515 for Rager.
Fifth. Fourth.
Got Andy with 9.519.
Seventh. Third. Eighth. First.
1 minute and 15 seconds left.
8,
Hammers are at 12.503 with the fast lap of
9,
24.3 this
seconds.
last lap. Oh, good grab, Jace.
4, 5,
Yep, we're all
6,
good. After you. No, after you.
7th, 1st, 3rd, 2nd, 9th, 9th, 4th, 5th, 6th,
All right, we're down to the final 30 seconds to the tone. Make sure you keep rolling until you hear your name called. Whoa, caught in the
3rd,
good
7th,
grab there.
2nd,
Final 10 seconds.
4th, 5th,
Oh, right behind you. There you go.
9th,
He's on it.
8th,
Keep rolling until I tell you to stop.
Second. 3rd, Rich Clark done.
Rich, you are done. JB, you are done.
5th, Rick Talkavanen done.
Rick,
4th,
you're
Mikey
done.
Williamson done.
Mikey, you're done.
6th, Leighton Nichols done.
Leighton, you're
3rd, Jason
done.
Rager done.
Jason, you're done.
1st, Hammer Time done.
Andy
9th, Andy
and
McDonald
Hammer are done. And
2nd, Steve Newman done.
Steve is
All drivers
done.
are finished.
We are done. It was Hammer, Steve, Rick.